Hi, all you YouTubers out there coming from sunny Los Angeles, California. This video is about 401ks, and this one is about basically if you have a job that does not have a 401k, if you do not have a 401k vehicle, and you want to go ahead and start saving your little small nest egg, which we will build it up, build it up, build it up, and build it up. A little bit about me. I used to head and charter an investment club back in the days, and I did it for over a year, made a lot of people some good money, some good profits, but one of the things I wasn't rewarded for it. Now I'm a senior citizen, I'm retired, and I know the ins and outs of the financial community and been following the market for decades and decades and decades. So here we go. This is what we're going to go ahead, and this is your game plan, and it's only going to cost you basically $5 a day. Now, before you go ahead and swipe off to the next video, this video is going to last about 10 minutes. It's going to be fun, educational. So if you could hang in there with just a little small 10 minutes and everything else on this too. This is my own time where it takes a lot of time to do these videos, to go ahead and edit them out, the homework and the research. So if you have 10 minutes of your day, you are definitely going to enjoy this video. So like I was stating, that you're going to put $5 a day, 7 days a week. Then you're going to go ahead and open yourself up a brokerage account. My favorite one is Charles Schwab. Basically, it's one of my top ones on the list. I am not a fan of Robinhood. Robinhood is fantastic for if you want to trade penny stocks, if you want to trade cryptocurrency. But as for the stock market, to go ahead and do ladder investing like I'm talking about, they do some back-end fees that the public does not know about. And basically, every time you do a trade, it does cost you a little bit more of that slice of the pie. I'm not knocking Robinhood. I think that they're great and everything else. But for this video, basically, we're going to go ahead and recommend Charles Schwab. So this is what you're doing. $5 a week, $5 a week, $5 a week. You open up a Charles Schwab account. Now, let's say you don't know how to invest, or you never bought a stock in your life and everything else too, and you just want to go ahead and just watch your money grow. You don't want to buy individual stocks like I've talked about in my last video. You just said, hey, you know what, Michael? I have $5 a day that I can put in. I want to go ahead and invest it, but I don't want to worry about it. Fine and dandy. So you opened up your Charles Schwab account. You can do an auto pay with them, or personally take the $5 a week and deposit it. Fine and dandy. So now let's cut to the chase. You're going to go ahead and put it to an S&P 500 index fund. And you have heard me many times on my other videos, why would you go ahead and invest in an S&P 500 index fund? This is a total different video. The last video that I did was for investors for individual stocks. So this is totally different. This is for the investor that does not have a 401k. They want to go ahead and save a small little nest egg, and they want to go ahead and see their returns. Now, let's talk the math. I did the math on this. It took me about 30 minutes to do on it because I'm kind of slow. Your initial investment over 20 years is going to be approximately about $35,000. And let's say you have an average return on the S&P 500, which I'm estimating is going to be anywhere from 12 to 15%. That's going to give you roughly, with dividend reinvestment and also to your tier investing, because you are investing tiers. You're buying the fund at one price, 1 week, then the next price, but you're building your ladder. You are going to go ahead and accumulate this here. Check this out. This is magic here. Anywhere from $125,000 to $150,000. Why did I start with $5? Because basically, sometimes money with investing, it's a little bit hard to come by, and I don't know what your financial situation is, but $5 is basically your starting point. You can start with 10 a week, you can start with 50 a week, you can start with 100 a week, but it's more realistic for most of the folks out there to start with $5. So in 20 years, you're going to go ahead and have over $100,000 to enjoy with whatever else you know you're going to do with it. Then also you can have Social Security, and Social Security and that money that you're getting are two separate entities, and then whatever you invest or have course of your lifetime, you're always going to have that. So this video, I hope you like it. If I was any kind of help, I would like a thumbs up. If you have any comments about it, go ahead and leave your comments below, and if I have the time, definitely I would love to go ahead and answer them for you. But this is a quick, simple way to go ahead and invest $5 a day for 20 years, and you can have over $100K in the bank. And I will guarantee you folks that basically you will not miss the $5 a day. And for all you ladies out there, the ratio of the beautiful ladies and the men tend to go ahead and invest a little bit more than the ladies out there. So we need to go ahead and get all you ladies out there to go ahead and take an active role to go ahead and invest in the market. You don't need to have any kind of knowledge. You could go ahead and do everything online, or you can walk into their office. The one thing that I like about Charles Schwab, they have 24/7 support. They can help you with the trades. They can help you set up everything. The offices, the staff is very, very professional. The reason that I brought up basically Robinhood, because there's a lot of folks that do investing with them, they have zero customer service. If you have a small glitch, a small problem with your finances, you are 100% online, and you need to do all the heavy lifting. So if you enjoy the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Happy investing, enjoy your summer, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.